we will start chapter 3 models. Okay, I am reading worksheet number 1. Read the following sentences.
मैम प्रैक्टिस हो रहा है.
Yes, models तो practice में ही है ना. Model I have explained basics of model in last class. I have explained it. Have I explained?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we will.
मैम इसका पीडीएफ आप भेजी हैं?
तो इसका पीडीएफ अच्छा इस चैप्टर ये क्लास ओवर होने के बाद पीडीएफ भेज दूंगी. पीडीएफ I have made.
मैम
When our class will be over, I will be sending it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So now I am reading worksheet number 1. Read the following sentences. The team has to win this qualifying match to be able to play in the World Cup. The team has to win.
Ma'am, someone is waiting.
What happened? All the students keep the audio and video off. It will be better.
आपकी आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रही.
मेरी आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रही है. Is it clear now?
No, ma'am.
Still not clear.
मैम अब ठीक से
अब आ रही है ना?
बोले वो ठीक से आया.
अब आ रही है?
यस मैम.
How is it okay? Okay.
Okay, mute everyone.
हम लोग अपना म्यूट कर लेते हैं.
Yeah, let me see. Mute everyone. ये कहाँ? अच्छा, 100 participants is there. Okay.
84.
In laptop it's not coming.
84 ma'am.
मैम
84 है, but here it's showing 100 participants.
84.
84. So okay, some might be waiting.
मैम 84 है.
हाँ चलो.
No ma'am, 84 participants are there.
हाँ जितने लोग वेट कर रहे थे उसको भी मैंने एडमिट कर लिया.
इसमें किसी को गलती नहीं है. Ma'am, please allow to.
Okay. So the team has to win this qualifying match to be able to play in the World Cup. They have to pass the entrance for getting admission in the college. Okay, the team has to win this qualifying match to be able to play in the World Cup. Second is they have to pass the entrance exam for getting admission in the college. Clear? Has to and have to are used to tell that there is no option but to do something. When we use has to or have to, when no option is left. If they want to play in the World Cup, they will have to win the match. If they want to get admission in the college, they will have to pass the entrance examination. Clear? Now worksheet number 2. Discuss with your partner and write a few things that the student have to do in the school. What you people are supposed to do in the school? School में क्या करना है तुम लोगों को? You are supposed to write with. You have to wear a school uniform.
We have to reach school at.
You have to maintain discipline.
Students have to obey rules.
Students have to obey rules. And some more examples.
Students have to learn their lessons.
Yeah, students have to learn the lessons. So I think
The
you
students
people
have to
understood.
attend all the classes.
Students have to understand.
Now you people understood? ये समझ में आ गई?
Yes, sir.
Now next, I am going to read worksheet number 3. Read the following. Principal, Mrs. Jan, you have to accompany 2 students of class 8 to a quiz competition in XYZ public school. You must reach the venue at 8 a.m. All the participants have to wear a white uniform and red badges. Clear? Have to. Miss
What happened?
Understood? Mrs. Jan, you have to accompany 2 students of class 8 to a quiz competition in XYZ public school. Means Mrs. Jan doesn't have any option. You must reach the venue at 10 a.m. Now, what is that? Must also shows compulsion. Have to also shows compulsion. But what is the difference between must and have to? Now we will see. Must and have to are used to express necessity or compulsion. Clear? In most of the cases, these two can be used interchangeably. There is a slight difference between must and have to. Okay, they can be used interchangeably. Means we can use either must or we can use either have to. Either or have. We can use either must or we can use have to. But here, must, the authority comes from the speaker. When we talk about must, authority comes from the speaker. Suppose that I say that you must open page number 45 of English practice book. So who is the authority over here? The speaker. Who is the speaker? I am the speaker. I am telling you something. So this is here authority means I am insisting you. I am the authority and I am insisting you. So it will be must. And have to. The authority comes from.
मतलब अगर कोई ऑथोरिटी के साथ इंसिस्ट कर रहे हैं तब मस्ट हो गया.
अगर
कोई
मतलब
authority है तब
suppose
insist कर
I
रहे हैं.
am the authority. Suppose that I am the authority. If I say you must submit your copies by tomorrow. I am teaching you English. I am the authority. So I am telling you to submit your notebooks by tomorrow. It is must. But if I say that you have to wear white uniform on Wednesday and Saturdays. Okay? You have to wear white uniform on Wednesdays and Saturdays. But here I am not authority. I am telling you, I am passing anyone's decision, anyone's rule that I am just passing to you. So authority is someone else. Who decides? Management decides that what will be school uniform and when you are supposed to wear what. These things a teacher doesn't decide. So when what I decided to tell you to bring your notebooks tomorrow. So what I said, you must submit your notebooks tomorrow. I told you have to wear white uniforms, a white uniform on Wednesday and Saturday. Here, I am not the authority. Authority is someone else. Just I am passing the med rules. Okay, understood? Suppose that you must reach the airport at 8 p.m. I am insisting you that you should reach the airport at 8 p.m. You have to reach the airport 3 hours before the flight time. Before your flight time, you have to reach the airport 3 hours before your flight time. Clear? Who is the
Yes,
authority?
ma'am.
Airport authority. They have made a rule that you are supposed to
Yes, ma'am.
reach 3 hours before. And here I am telling you to reach. You must reach means you should not miss your flight. Understood? Understood the difference? Now
Yes,
I am speaking worksheet number 4. Fill in the blanks with must, have to. In some cases, it is possible to use it either of them. Okay? You dash participate in this drawing competition. I am sure you will win. Okay?
Must.
You dash participate.
Must.
You must participate. Here I am telling you that you must participate because I am sure you will win. Understood?
Yes.
My bus stop is half a kilometer away from my house. My bus stop is half a kilometer away from my house. So I dash walk down to the stop daily.
Must.
Must.
I have to. No option is left.
Yes, ma'am.
Half a kilometer. No option is left. He has to walk. So that's why here it will be I have to walk down to the stop daily. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, you dash get permission letter from your parents if you want to go on the school picnic. That's headmaster's order. What will be there?
Must.
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 Have to.
No, it is not my
to.
order.
Must.
Have to. You have to get permission letter from your parents.
मैम एक्सेप्ट करिए कोई वेट कर रहा है जल्दी
What happened? Here in this worksheet we are doing must or have to. So here it is what headmaster's order.
Ma'am, page number 45.
So what will be there? You have to.
have to
You have to get permission letter from your parents if you want to go on the school picnic. That's the headmaster's order. He dash get his passport made at the earliest if he wants to travel abroad. What will be there? He dash get his passport.
Must.
He must.
He has to
must.
get.
must has to
यहाँ पे here we can do has to also. He has to get his passport. ये तो compulsion है ना. अगर
Yes, ma'am. Has
if he wants to go abroad, he needs passport. I
Yes,
can't go out for cycling today.
I have to complete
I have to.
I must
I must complete my homework.
must complete
You are changing your routine now. So you are the authority. So you must complete. I must complete my homework. Girls, dash not wear fancy pieces of jewelry.
Must.
Class. Girls must not wear fancy pieces of jewelry to my class. I warn you. Who is warning? I am warning. I am the authority.
Teacher.
Okay? The teacher is the authority. Next. Sarita sings really well. She dash learn classical music to hone.
must
She must learn classical music to hone
Must.
her skill
Must
further.
learn.
Clear?
Yeah.
So many are still waiting. Let me admit them.
एक बच्चा वेट कर रहा है
Next, all the cadets in the NDA dash undergo a rigorous training. They dash learn horse riding, swimming, shooting, and
Repeat the question.
many more such activities.
Have to and must.
Yes. All the cadets in the NDA have to undergo a rigorous training. Okay? No, we can do that. All the cadets in the NDA must undergo a rigorous training. They have to learn. They have to learn horse riding, swimming, shooting, and many more such activities. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now 95 students are there, na? Okay. Now worksheet number 5. Read the following conversation. Saloni. Don't speak. I am confused. Which stream I should opt for, science or humanities? Neha, you should opt for the subject that interests you most. Saloni, I wish to opt for humanities, but my parents insist that I must opt for science. Do you think I should talk to a counselor about this? Neha, I think you ought to talk to your parents first. You should explain to them the reason for your choice. I'm sure they will understand. Now, how many models are there? Should is there, must is there, ought to is there. Should and ought to. We have learned the difference between must and have to. Is it clear? Have we learned the difference? Now we will learn the
एक बार बता
difference.
दीजिएगा
क्या?
का डिफरेंस.
Which you want? Must and have to. Must.
Yes,
In must, assistance comes from the speaker. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And have to comes from here. I request everyone to switch off your videos. Sorry, ये video को off करो. Video and audio. Audio चलो, we are doing audio. It's okay because we are discussing. But your video shouldn't come. So is it clear? Difference between must and have to?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now should and ought to. Should and ought to are used to ask for, give suggestion, advice, or to talk about duty, obligation. Okay. Should and ought to are used to ask for. If you want to ask something, give a suggestion, advice, or to talk about duty or obligation. Let us study some examples. You should go for a walk daily. You should go for a walk daily. You ought to be honest while taking an.
आपकी आवाज सही से नहीं आ रही है.
Now is it clear?
आवाज नहीं आ रहा सही से.
Is it
Ma'am, your
clear?
voice is cutting.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Well, sometimes,
You know, ma'am.
still voice is
No,
not
ma'am, it's
clear.
again cutting your voice.
Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Sometimes what happens? Connectivity, net connectivity goes. Then this problem takes place. Okay. So So when it that's why I have not muted any of you. Whenever you feel any problem, you may ask me. You may tell me. I will see what to do. So we were doing should and ought to. You should go for a walk daily. You ought to be honest while taking an exam. Both are advice, both are suggestions, but one is just a simple piece of advice, another is moral duty, moral obligation. Okay. There is slight difference between should and ought to. What is the difference? Both are used to give advice or suggestion or to talk about duty or obligation. However, whenever there is a sense of moral duty or moral obligation, we use ought to. When we talk about moral duty or moral obligation, we use ought to. Simple suggestion, it will be should. If it is moral duty or moral obligation, we will say ought to. Clear? You ought to talk to your parents before talking to a counselor. It is your moral duty. You make your parents aware before talking to someone else. Clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When we talk of moral, when we what is morally correct, then we use ought to. We ought to help the needy. There is no rule. If you will not help the needy, you are not going to be punished. But it is our moral duty. If I can help, I should help. Isn't it? So, ought to. I ought to help the needy. Now, worksheet number 6. In the unit changing times of my English reader, you have to read about the common complaints of the parents against teenagers. What happened? Any problem? If anyone, any problem is there, tell me. Okay. Now, changing times. We have reader book we have done. Changing times we have done. A story of Pranay was there.
Yes, ma'am.
And one poem was also there. That in the land of confusion or sometimes these. So you are supposed to write. You read that and you will write the complaint. Parents, Pranay mother had complained against Pranay. She had or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So you are supposed to see he doesn't think about financial. He didn't think about financial condition of the family. Was it? वो फैमिली के फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन के बारे में नहीं सोच रहा था. So you ought to.
Yes, ma'am. नहीं सोच रहा था.
हाँ, so he ought to think about the financial condition of the family. He ought to respect his father. In this way, you are supposed to write 5, 6 points. 2, 3, I have told you. Rest, can you do? Is it okay? Is it simple also? Do you have any?
Yes, ma'am, it is simple.
Yes,
It's very
ma'am.
simple. Really,
Yes,
it's very
ma'am.
simple.
No, ma'am, there
Now,
is no
worksheet
problem.
number 7. Discuss with your partner and list a few things that Pranay in Give Me a Break in unit changing times of my English reader ought to do. to bridge the communication gap between his father and himself. There was a big communication gap between Pranay and his father. Neither Pranay was understanding his father, nor his father was understanding Pranay. So what? Pranay, he ought to spend some time with his father. He ought to discuss his problems to his father. Isn't it? वो moral duty उसकी थी ना प्रणय की. Now worksheet number 8. What we will do in worksheet number 8? We will revise. Let us revise. Suggestion, duty, obligation. Should. To talk about, offer, ask for suggestion, duty, obligation. When we use should, to talk about, offer, ask for a suggestion, duty, obligation, you should apologize her. It's my suggestion. I think I am right. You should apologize her. To talk about moral duty, moral obligation, you ought to apologize to her. It's morally correct. Must. To express necessity, compulsion from the speaker. Keep in mind. Must means compulsion from the speaker. To express necessity, compulsion from the speaker. You must apologize to her. I insist that you apologize to her. Parents, teachers, they sometimes insist you to do so when you do something wrong. Next, have to express necessity, compulsion from outside the speaker. This is must is also compulsion, but it is from the speaker side, and ought to is from the outside the speaker. It is not from the speaker side. You have to apologize to her. There is no option. There is no other option left. Clear? You people understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next, worksheet number 9. Read the following sentences. You should not eat junk food. You must not eat that burger. It is stale. You should not eat junk food. It is general suggestion. You should not eat. You must not eat that burger. It is stale. Do you know the meaning of stale? Stale
Yes,
ka meaning?
ma'am.
Unfresh. Unfresh.
Unfresh. Yeah. So here it is compulsory. Here it's a speaker is compulsorily telling, insisting that you must not eat that burger. It is stale. Means you may it may harm your health. Okay, should not is used to suggest that is not correct to do something. Okay, when we use should not, when we suggest that it is not correct to do something. Clear? Must not suggest that a compulsion, obligation not to do something. Must not suggest that. Here is also obligation. Here is also compulsion. It is simply prohibition to do something. You are not supposed to do something. You are prohibited to do something. You should not tease animals. It is not correct. Okay? You should not tease. Simple suggestion. You must not tease that snake. It is poisonous. Here, I prohibit that. I prohibit that. Means I insist you not to use that snake. That snake.
Yes,
It is poisonous. You should not drink water from hand pump. It is not hygienic. You should not drink water from hand pump. It is not hygienic. Simple suggestion. You must not drink this water. It is contaminated. Here it is compulsion, obligation not to do something. Worksheet number 10. Now till here everything is clear? You people understood? जहां तक अभी
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
सारे स्टूडेंट समझ गए?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.